If you're looking for the best shampoos for African American hair, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Shampoo. Afro-textured hair that is voluminous with tight curls and corkscrews. This type of hair is densely packed together and you will have a hard time blow-drying these tight curls. Moving on to the next, at number 2 with Kinky Curly Curl Custard Gel. Teyana Paris, Andrea Louise, and Yaya DaCosta are well-known celebrities that wear the four tightly coiled hair. Four curls are wiry and fine-textured, yet fragile with density. Also, with fewer cuticles layers, your four hair is more vulnerable to damage. The number 3 position is held by Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. The color-safe shampoo gently cleanses and restores natural moisture without adding weight, and the hydrating conditioner takes unmanageable hair and leaves it to tangle, soft and easy to style. Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla has the sulfate-free shampoo, conditioner, hair smoothie, and leave-in conditioner to transform unmanageable hair into incredibly soft-feeling hair. Shampoo and conditioner for curly hair, ideal hair prone to dryness, and any hair type that needs a little extra moisture protection. Use sulfate-free conditioner and shampoo together for best results. Whether your curls are coiled, kinky, or loose, we make products for curly hair of all kinds, including Curl Custard, gel for curly hair, shampoo, conditioner, and hair oils for natural hair growth. Carol's Daughter was born in a Brooklyn kitchen in 1993 and made with a mother's love and encouragement. Today we carry a full line of hair care products and body and skin care products. Next, at number 4 we have Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Daily Damage Repair Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner. Our Almond Milk Sulfate-Free Shampoo helps renew hair's vitality without weighing it down, and our Almond Milk Restoring Conditioner helps restore over-processed hair. Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Shampoo, Conditioner, Leave-In Conditioner, and Ultra Nourishing Hair Mask are all blended to repair daily damage, sulfate-free, petroleum-free, mineral oil-free. Created for naturally curly hair, from the short crop 4 curly hairstyle to 1 waves, we use the ingredients your curls crave, like sweet almond oil, aloe and shea butters, and proteins. Whether your curls are coiled, kinky, or loose, we make products for curly hair of all kinds, including Curl Custard, gel for curly hair, shampoo, conditioner, and hair oils for natural hair growth. Carol's Daughter was born in a Brooklyn kitchen in 1993 and made with a mother's love and encouragement. Today we carry a full line of hair care products and body and skin care products. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by tgin Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. Get the beautiful hair you desire with our Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. Uses shea butter to lock in moisture from the root to the tip of every strand of hair. This everyday moisturizer has vitamin E oil to encourage hair growth while preventing hair loss. It does this by enabling better blood flow to the scalp. Due to the vitamin E oil and cocoa butter being used directly on the hair, it begins to condition the hair, making it more lustrous and stronger than ever. Our buttercream reduces frizz by smoothing the hair's cuticle, adding natural shine and softness without leaving the hair greasy or heavy. Can also be used as a setting cream to create soft, smooth and shiny 2-strand twist and twist outs. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.